Next Tuesday, EPP TV will host a major debate on how small and medium-sized enterprises can power Europe's recovery. The discussion will be between Antonio Tajani, Vice President of the European Commission, responsible for industry and entrepreneurship, Austrian member of the EPP Group Paul Rübig, and Secretary General of Eurochambers Arnaldo Abruzzini. Stay tuned to EPP TV on Tuesday at 1 o'clock Central European Time. Road charging is to become a reality in more and more EU states. Whereas heavy goods vehicles have already paid their toll, private cars and motorcycles are to follow. In order to ensure that the fees are fair and easy to pay for residents and non-residents alike, the European Electronic Toll Service is to be further developed. Parliament Rapporteur, Irish member of the EPP Group Jim Higgins, reiterates that the EETS has been a failure, as the European Commission has already admitted. We should focus on new technologies such as the GPS, as the EETS in its current form may not have a long lifespan. The Transport Committee will discuss a strategy for an electronic toll service and a vignette system on light private vehicles in Europe on Monday. A report on a new agenda for European consumer policy will be voted in the Committee on Internal Market and Consumer Protection on Thursday. The report will show Parliament's viewpoints on how to further promote consumer rights. The EPP Group spokesperson on the issue, our Latvian member Sandra Kalniete, underlines that the aim of our group is to have an informed customer who can make informed choices. A consumer that also has the right to make his own decisions. We also need better enforcement of rules that companies and consumers can follow. An important area is the growing digital market and e-commerce. As they give more choice to many consumers, we also need to ensure the quality of products in these markets, avoid unfair practices, and comply with the protection of personal data. Offshore leaks revelations as well as the ministerial scandal in France have shown the need to take action on tax evasion. An unbelievable sum of €1 trillion is calculated to be lost to tax fraud and tax avoidance every year in the European Union. Ambitious but not unrealistic is the plan described in the report on tax fraud, tax evasion and tax havens that comes to vote in the Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs on Thursday. Sirpa Pietikäinen, the EPP Group's Finnish spokesperson on the report, underlines the need to establish a common EU definition and coordinated blacklisting of tax havens. She also reminds member states to agree on the directive on a common consolidated corporate tax base, which eventually should significantly increase transparency of business taxation. For more information on next week's events, please visit our website epbgroup.eu.